What should I make for breakfast? Should I pour a bowl of cereal? Sounds easy enough. Make an egg sandwich? Maybe next time. I got it. Epic breakfast burritos. Let's do this. Welcome back to episode 3 of I Really Can Cook. I woke up late this morning, woke up kind of hungry, but decided I'm gonna put it off, take my dog for a walk first. That's more important. But when I got back, I was hungry, almost hangry. Now I'm ready to eat. So what did I decide to have for breakfast? Burritos, epic burritos, and I'm gonna show you how I make them. But before we start cooking, you know we've gotta wash our hands. Frozen tater tots, air fryer, flour tortillas, cheese, eggs, green onions, and my epic sauce. For my epic sauce, we're gonna put a little bit of water, a little bit of ketchup, couple of drops of Tapatio, a little bit of lime juice, a little bit of garlic salt. You don't want to be too heavy on the salt, and some mayo. Then you're gonna whip it good until it's nice and creamy with no lumps. First thing we're gonna do is get my air fryer going. Now that my tater tots are done, I'm gonna go ahead and light this fire and fry my eggs since they cook really fast. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and light up my cast iron griddle, because that's the last step. You don't want to heat your tortillas too soon because they'll get cold and possibly rubbery. But warming them up last, along with the eggs being freshly fried and the warm tater tots, epic breakfast burritos. I'm gonna add a little olive oil to my ceramic pan. I know it's not required, but I like to do it. Now that my tortillas are warm, we're gonna add my epic sauce, some eggs, tater tots, cheese, and green onions. And you can't forget the salt and pepper. Add a little bit more epic sauce if you feel like it. And get ready to get your grub on. Oh, and you can't have an epic breakfast without an epic cup of orange juice. Yeah, buddy. I know you guys love to watch me get my eat on, so I'm gonna go ahead and get right to it. Enjoy the show. Gotta have the orange juice. What's breakfast without orange juice? And the epic sauce, it's just that. Epic. And believe me, I'm gonna clean my plate. I don't like to waste food. There's people out here without food. I try not to waste anything. I mean, try to make it better. Epic. But waste not, want not. I'm so good at not wasting food. I've burnt chicken and ate it. I've overcooked my steaks. I mean, I like my steaks medium well anyway. I don't like my steaks with any red or pink in it. I'm just that guy. But when learning how to cook steaks, I've overcooked them before. I ate them. I'm not wasting any food. Like I said, there's people out here without food. I'm not gonna waste it on an experiment and just throw it away like it's nothing. I'll eat it. But this right here, not part of the conversation. This is part of our epic discussion. Epic. Maybe I should package these and start selling them frozen. I wonder if they were frozen, how they taste if they were thawed out. You know, like those frozen burritos you get. They're good. They're not epic though. That burrito is so epic. I could have gotten away with making just one, but they're medium-sized tortillas, so I figured, why not go with two? Plus, I'm a big old boy, so need to feed the beast. Epic burrito number 2, get in my belly. Hope that's not copywritten. Either way, it's going down. I always take a sip after every bite. It's a habit. My mom used to make us do it when we were kids. I guess to make sure that we don't choke, wash our food down. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying, in case anybody's wondering, every bite I take is followed up with a sip. I didn't want to say it because I didn't want to jinx myself, but I think thinking it jinxed me because the second burrito, it dripped just a little bit of sauce, just a little bit of epic sauce. Normally, every burrito I make, every taco I make or something like that, always drips out my epic sauce. You know, I guess it wants to share itself with the world, let the world know that it's epic. I don't know, just being silly. But anyway, this is Ahmed with I Really Can Cook. I hope you enjoyed my epic burrito recipe. Well, yeah, it's my recipe and my epic sauce. That made the burrito epic. It was good, but add that sauce, epic, epic. I really can cook. And I'll see you guys in the next episode, episode 4. What am I gonna make? I don't know, but whatever it is, it's gonna be epic.